All right, so we're done trading. We had a red day today of 258, second red day, um, and we all our trades were not good trades, including the one that we made money on was not a good trade. Um, and I think this trade did not hit its target, and therefore I got angry, or rather, my emotions started to set in and affected how I traded this. Although I'm not really sure what happened here because it theoretically hit its target, but still. I mean, now it's. I'm not going to enter this. I did want to short this, but I was like, no, yeah, well, let's just stop. We're emotional today. Or maybe I'll just enter with one contract. And I don't want to. I'm going to use a limit order. All right, so, and then I'm going to put a stop. Hopefully the stop will be a good stop. One. Okay, so we could have entered two. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the stop exactly where I want it to be, which is around here. It looks like... Okay, so 25 is what we're... So 50 is maybe our target. Maybe around... I don't think it's going to get there. But anyway, all right, so let me just talk through what's going on. I only put one contract for a reason. What's going on is that, or what happened with, let's start with our first trade, and that would be Facebook. And I probably should not have taken that trade that I've just taken just now. Anyway, so Facebook, what happened now? The idea was this. We have this, and I think, as I mentioned in the earlier recording, I was looking for, maybe we could break out potentially. I got in with one or two contracts here, and we hovered around here for a bit, and then held, and then I started to watch the two contracts move, went up, came back down, went up. Then I had to take a phone call, and at that point I realized that, okay, I'm distracted. I then now put my stop here, I think. I can't remember, or I put my stop here or something, but I then got stopped out. And as a result, I bought some more here, and look at where it is. Anyway, just out of anger, I wasn't ready to take... It doesn't matter. I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm not happy. I'm really not happy with the way I traded this today. But anyway, so I got stopped out. I wasn't really happy that I got stopped out. I was thinking, we're going to have a wedge, but remember, wedges can fail too. And that didn't really work out. So this kind of went up without it. Just really was so strong. And as it was going up, I just turned off the chart, and I was like, I don't want to watch this anymore. This is annoying me. I'm upset. Anyway, so after that, I then later on bought this bar with 4 contracts actually, put my stop here, and I realized I was risking too much. And I asked myself, why did I buy 4 contracts? I bought them because I'm upset. Got up here, made about $100, and then came back down. I thought, okay, I'm getting out. I'm not following the rules the way I'm supposed to. I am taking trades with risking more than I want. The risk I wanted was 50 to 100, and I was risking about 200 down here, so I exited. I bought again when this bar printed and went up, and I thought, okay, do you know what? Let's just forget this. This is not working out. Exit. And I exited and just let it do its thing. I don't want to trade that way anymore, where I just buy out of FOMO. I really want to trade plans. And remember, the plan initially was to catch this on the open, maybe hold this for a swing, and then hold it up. But this would have been a really good, if you had bought here 3 to 1, at least would have been a really good one. Anyway, BA, I then, which is actually doing some interesting things now. BA, I decided to short when we got to I'm actually asking myself, why am I shorting when I think we're coming all the way up here? Anyway, so BA, I decided to short because I was like, oh, we're selling off. Maybe we'll have a second leg down. What I did not consider was this tight channel. If we look at the higher time frame, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We're double bottoming, so this channel pulling up. This is a minor pull, so this is a minor reversal, right? Pulling back, and then now pulling back up. I did not think about that. I thought we would come back down, maybe at least this level, but anything. And I think that's the problem. The expectations were there, and I traded it. I traded with some expectations. I should not. And also look at this. We have a really nice wedge. 1, 2, 3. Exhaustion, double bottom. It's usually a very strong, and then maybe a reversal and then going back up. I don't know. But so far right now, that's what's happening. The thing I didn't do very well on this trade was I bought 2 contracts here, hoping, for 100 shares basically. Really, this is like 2 to 1. I bought them around here. This is about 2 to 1, but it wasn't even close to 2 to 1. It wasn't close at all. It wasn't close to 2 to 1 one bit. I think it was about 50 here, and I thought I should be about 100, but again, options. I don't really like options for that. All right. Anyway, so we now rallied. So the other thing I noticed is went up. Here we go, reverse, but it was maybe this was the first push and this is the second push. Now this is the third push. Whatever it is, I don't know if I got this wrong. This was a breakout, pullback, retest, and explosion. This bar should have been my exit, but I held for quite a bit. I bought some more puts as we went up to reduce the loss I was averaging down, which again is another rule broken. But I now realize something. I remember this pattern. Whenever you have a breakout and a retest, it's usually a sign the bulls are testing to see what the bears can do, and they can't seem to get the price back down here. And then they push the price up, broke out of this range from here. And then look at this. We've now pushed all the way up. Now we're back into this region of sellers. I thought we would have more selling here, so I shorted at the top. Nothing happened. Actually shorted 4 contracts. Nothing really happened. I saw this bull bar, and I was actually watching this. Where is it? Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong day. I was watching this time frame, and just looking at look at the bears. They're letting the bulls make money, but look at the bulls. They're not letting the bears make any money. So that just made me feel like, yeah, this is definitely an exit. So I exited here with all 4 contracts and let it go. Here I've shorted only because, we spiked, we're channeling. At least I could target this. And I'll probably just exit here because this is 1, 2. We need a third push before this is probably going to go into a trading range or go down. So this short I'm doing is really just maybe for this here. I'm not going to take any more. I'm done. I may not even get down here because I'm seeing we're just going sideways. So I'm going to move my stop and exit because I think we're done. It wasn't a great trade. All in all, there are lots of things happening in the market. If I see the ES has been strong. Its too was also one I thought would also be a strong rally. Look at Mara that I thought we could short, but it's just going sideways now. The ES failed breakout, but really, if you look at the higher time frame, and that's always what always helps. Look at the higher time frame. You can tell that this is where we're headed. At least this area. So looking at what's happened, we've pushed up, pull back, or pushing up again, maybe pull back 1. This is a nice wedge here. So this is the first push, pull back, second push, and now we're pulling back again. So look at BA, about to take out my stop. This doesn't look like it's going anywhere. It doesn't look any. What else? Netflix had a really nice rally, really nice rally with a nice breakout, but then it's gone to a point of exhaustion. Yeah, come back to this area. You had this breakout here, went sideways, and then broke out here again. And this is something I should have picked up on yesterday. And I remember saying something about that this morning. I was looking at it and I thought we went up, pulled back, went up, but we didn't take out this low. And then we pulled back here. We didn't come back here. So this looks like a breakout to me. I'm just watching this. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I think we're done. Anyway, so so that was Netflix, and now we've pulled back, and we need a double top. Baba had a really interesting one, but I didn't take it. I mean, I'm looking at this now. Hindsight's 2020. Look at that. Some really, really good plays on this one. Okay, this is why I don't like options. Nobody wants to buy this option off me. I'm offering it to you guys. Let me see. Sell the bid. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just hold on to it till anything happens. All right. So that was that. That was Baba. Apple I looked at as well. Tesla I was not interested in. Only because it's in a range. Yeah, Apple I looked at. We had a wedge here. Again, I thought we would hold, but look at that. Okay, we've gotten out. See, 3 pushes down, 1, pull back, 2, pull back, 3. So we're now in an uptrend. All right, till next week, we're done. Oh, just before I even go, what have I learnt today? I think one thing I'm going to say is, in terms of how I want to trade the day now, I will maybe just what I will do on Monday is just pick 2 ideas and trade those 2 ideas. I don't want to be trading, like, if this doesn't work, it doesn't work. Just let it go. Facebook worked, but I just want to trade 2 ideas like every day now. If they don't work, then at least that didn't work. My risk will just be 50 each time. And okay, I think we see something in Baba, but I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to look at it. Yeah, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, But when you're trading so many and you start getting upset, then things are never ever good. And I have a feeling this, because I'm looking at this now, this is exhaustion, and I'm expecting a double bottom, but then Baba has been dropping a lot, and okay, yeah, it does look like a double bottom, so you might have this sort of thing over here as well. Anyway, so what was I going to say? Yeah, so I think what I'm going to do moving forward is I'm just gonna trade the ideas that I'm happy with from a high time frame perspective. So if I think, or I can see that price looks like it wants to be bullish, I will trade the bullish move. Looking at the ES, for instance, now, it's easy to think, oh, we're going down, but actually we're at the resistance, but now we spiked and now we're channeling up. So this is, and you can tell that we're doing something of that nature because we're respecting trends. We're respecting trends. So we've come up here, kind of gone sideways, and then we should blow up past this resistance and then go to the next level. But this is the channel, otherwise we break it. So price is respecting resistances or channels. Yeah, now B is going sideways, looking at the chart. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it. I'm done. It's not about being right. All right, have a good week.